Hello, my name is Sheikh, and I'm trying to open one of those LG Rebel. I looked up in YouTube to find a way to open it, and I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to open this and see if that actually helps you guys to open future Rebels because you don't want to break it. Let me break mine, so you can probably learn something. All right, I put this LCD on a hot plate about 55 degree Fahrenheit, and it's pretty hot. I probably need to do more 60 55 degrees Celsius. So trying to open it from the front and see that helps anything. I bought another replacement phone, so if in case I really mess it up, I can use the board on another phone to build this phone. Customer happy. I learned something. You need to. So probably I'm gonna use a heat gun here to soften it up. Avoiding the camera area, you need to save the camera area because camera cannot take a lot of heat or water even. So it's getting hotter. Let's try again. Yeah, it's much easier. So there you go. Okay. There's one little knob here, protective cover. You pull it out and probably have to unplug the port to release the LCD connection. So it's out here, and then here there's another one right over here. So I got that one out, and there it is. So I'm gonna open another phone here. Where's that phone go? Right here. I'm gonna do the same process. Take the LCD out of here and just put some double-sided adhesive here. And put it back. Connect them. Put it back. Pressure it. And assemble back. I'm sure that the rest of them you guys can figure it out. Thank you.